Good evening, my viewers. Good evening, my listener. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, Africa. Good evening, Nigeria. Good evening, Africa, my Africa. Africa, my Africa, the country, the continent of peace, the continent of honor, the continent that full with blessing. Good evening, Africa, my Africa. I'm still remain the same Ayo Adejumo, aka the Diamond Mind. Precisely. I wish everyone that subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you very much. I appreciate you, value you, and you will never lack good things by the powers of God. Today we are still on the subject emotional control. Have you been controlling that feeling inside you? Have you been able to manage and control and understand how you feel in the society so that you can become the best person that you need to be in the society, that you need to understand how you feel so that you can able to know which one is best for you to use. So that is why the word of God says, keep that heart with all diligence. Out of it there are issues of life. You have abundant issues of life inside that mind. That mind is pure, lay with good things. With good things, feed that heart. Even the word of God made us to understand that it is not that things that you eat that make you become the violent in the society, but what you think. That is why you need to think properly. You need to control that thought that comes inside your mind, that God that feel inside you. You need to control it. It is not every negative things that you need to say to other ones. You cannot call your friends bad person. You cannot call it mad. You cannot use a word that is not appreciated to them and they will accept that. No, it is not. That is why you need to curtail, you need to caution, you need to regenerate that mind. You need to tell yourself that I don't need to go into that feelings. I don't want that spirit. You need to reject. You need to accept the good one, reject the bad one, so the society will be okay for you and I to live. So therefore today we are talking on a topic, which is dislike. What is dislike? What it simply means to be dislike things. You dislike things. Dislike is the feelings of not liking, the state, aversions, and antipathy. You know, anti-empathy, anti-empathy, aversion, the state, not liking situation. And there are, if you are in that feelings, there are some characteristics that characterize that feelings in you. One, you state to be backbiting. You backbite that person. You talk too much about the person. You go at the back of the person and begins to say a lot of things concerning that person you dislike. Another one, you self-pity. Self-pity is another characteristic that warrants person who dislike another things. You could dislike situation, you could dislike events, you could dislike person, you could dislike city, you could dislike anything on this earth. That means you dislike it, and you maybe have a self-pity. What of if you dislike a city, you'll be pitying yourself for going to that city. If you dislike an event, you go to that event, you pity yourself in that event. If you dislike food, you pity yourself for buying that food. So self-pity is another characteristic. Which is the third one, unreliable. You withdraw yourself from that situation that is not good, for that event that is not good, for that party that is not good, for that place that is not good, for that hotel that is not good, for that things that you people are doing that is not good. You will withdraw yourself. That is unreliable. Another one, dishonesty. You will be so dishonesty to that thing you dislike, because You will not want them to know your truths. You don't want them to know your realities about what you dislike, because you dislike some certain group, you dislike some certain friends, you dislike some certain woman, you dislike some certain man, you dislike some certain situations, certain religions, certain personality, certain people, certain government. You dislike them and you will be dishonest to that. I know that one, which is the last one but not the least, not liking the eyes contact. You not want to contact your eyes with the person you dislike. If it's going like this, you pass like this, you move your side, you move the eyes aside so that you will not have a eyes contact with the person. What I'm saying is, in essence, is that characteristics that characterize dislike feelings in you. 1, backbiting, self-pity, unreliable, dishonest, and not able to have eyes contact. How do you manage or control dislike feeling in you? 1, talk to the person you dislike. You need to go and meet the person and talk to the person and say exactly what that person is doing that make you not to like him, so you can settle that score. Another one, practice mindfulness. Practice mindfulness could be dangerous sometimes, because you know you will not like to say anything to that person. You mind your business, you mind your way, you mind your goal, you mind your situation. Even you don't want to see the person. That is another thing that is so dangerous, because the feelings that we have inside us needs to be free. We don't need to hurt something. We don't need to make something grudginess. We don't need to make grudging with person. So we need it make us to practice a mindfulness. Sometimes you need to practice mindfulness when you find out that situation is too hard, that situation is unpalatable. You need to practice mindfulness. Be more empathy. You need to have a good feelings of pity for people. Don't divert your mind from ip. If an issue happen to you, you need to divert. When you know that that issue is bad, can cause problem, that person has determined to ruin your life, that person has determined to kill you, that person has determined, and you have found out that this person is dangerous to you, you need to do what? Divert your mind away from it. Don't even discuss that issue, so that you able to go away from that situation, so that you will be able to escape. Someone is planning bad against you, and you know, what do you need to do? You need to run away from that person, so that you will not destroy your life. Recognize the values in different opinions. You have recognize value in different opinions. When you are in the midst of your friends, don't degrade other people's opinion. Don't say you don't know anything, because you cannot know everything. You cannot know everything. You can only know what you are exposed to. That is it. So you need to recognize the values in different opinions. The last but not least, take a good look in the mirror. Check yourself in the mirror. Look the way you look. Appreciate the work of God in you. Appreciate the powers of God in you. Appreciate that value, that great things that God has endured in your life, that power that God has given to your life. Embrace it. Embrace it. Make it good to yourself, and you become the best person that you need to be in this society. Your life will be okay. Your life will be better. Your life will be sound. Your life will be a person that you need to be in the society. That is why I'm saying it is not what you eat, neither what you take, that make you to become wicked, but your mind, what is inside your mind, what you think inside your mind, what you reason with your mind, what that mind bring out to you. Garbage in and garbage out make you become wicked in the society. That is why that word of God appreciate you, value you. Say keep that mind with all diligence. Out of it there are issues of life. Keep your mind with all understanding, with all wisdom, with all knowledge that's good for you. So out of it there are issues of life. Please don't conform to those things that your friends are doing. Friends, brothers and sisters, what they are doing that is wrong, what are those negative things they are doing to be wrong. Don't conform to that evil things, but be renewed by your mind, that you may know what is good and what is perfect and acceptable for you. So God created you that you will be the best person, you will be the good person, that you will live in this early lives, that you will be the best that you need to be. So don't do things that rash, don't do things that doesn't good at all. So therefore, on this note, I shall be dropping the curtain, and I want you to realize that it is good to go to good investment. Good investment is good. Good investment can help you. Good investment can support you. Good investment can aid you. You will not be working from night to night, from morning to morning, from day to day, from year to year. Every time they have seen you as a workaholic, but you don't have anything to give in return to that work you are doing. So you need to invest your money. So if you are interested in investing to your money, I have a good platform that can change your life around, that can make you look sweet, that can make your dream come to reality, that can make your financial status to be standard, and you will never regret of being a member of that platform. So therefore, quickly be on my call 08161718838. I take it 08161718838. That is the number. So you will never remain at the same situation anymore. You, by the time next year, you become the best person that you need to be. Remember that you have a bountiful gold inside you, bountiful silver inside you. You need to mine it out. Thank you.